picture, and as you can see, there are goats in my van. These two Angoras are coming home from the Wolf's Neck Center in Freeport, which is a state park where they like teach people about farming. It's really cool. They have tons of animals there. They have rabbits, chickens, Oberhasli goats, and they have rabbits, I might have already said that, and cows. And these goats just weren't fitting in with their program. They were getting bullied by the Oberhasli goats, which are, I think they're a dual-purpose breed for meat and milk, whereas these ones, they're just so much smaller, so they were getting bothered, and I'm very happy to be able to bring them home as our first goats on the farm. We've been working super hard to get the goat pen ready, and it's finally ready to go, and here they are, ready to come home with us. My van's gonna smell very goaty for a little bit, but hopefully we can get it cleaned up, and well, just in time to bring home more goats, probably. I cannot tell which one's which from here, but there are two. Oh, yep. So his name is Poppy right now, the one in front. The one in back is Violet. They're 4 years old and they're siblings. They're both white. One has dark features, one has light features, and I just can't wait to bring them home and get a better video of them so you guys can see them in their new home. Here are goats. Yes, they are goats. These are Angora goats. They produce fiber called mohair. They need to be sheared twice a year. They're due to be sheared next month. And the one on the left is Violet. The one on the right is Darwin. They're 4 years old, and they're siblings. And yep, Darwin is a wether. Violet is a doe, and they are not scared of me. I go in there with treats and they easily eat out of my hand. So they have their feeders and such over here. One with minerals, one with baking soda. And then the buckets have water in them, and then they have hay in this mini crib. They will be allowed outside. We had to MacGyver a door here. Has 2 hooks to keep it secure. But we're just having them get settled in first so they know where to come. They do have horns, and it might not look like it, but they have eyes too. Violet keeps craning her head up so she can see under her bangs. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm so glad to finally have them home, our first goats. The rest of them won't be home for quite a while. One of them isn't even born yet. And then we're going to meet some of the other ones this weekend, actually, and learn how to milk on their farm. Hi, buddy. You want a treat? She's come running because she wants a treat too. Hey guys, I have treats. Not even scared slightly. What about you, Violet? Yeah. Pretty girl. Oh, they're gorgeous. Look at their mohair, their locks. Hi! Hello! I don't have any more in my hands right now. They lose interest in me a bit when I don't have them in my hand, the treats in my hands. Gosh, they're beautiful. See? Told you they have eyes.
Am I a joke to you?
This is a sleeping platform. It's on top of 2 pallets, so it's just up a little bit in case it gets wet in here for whatever reason. Gosh, they're funny. Funny looking. Alright, last check-in for the night. Look at that one rolling itself around. Not sure yet if we have any more pips. Let's take a quick look. I really don't see any on this green one here that's rocking. Yeah, this one, these 2. Ah, that's a clear pip now. I can tell that one is pipped right there. These 2, oops, sorry guys. Not sure if those 2 have any pips. I really haven't seen any on any of these green ones back here. Let's see. Nope, not seeing any on those guys. This one had the bunch, but it's turned, can't really see it from this angle. So that's the last check of the night. Hopefully we'll come out down in the morning and we'll have some chick. Okay, it's been about an hour and we actually have 3 more eggs pipped. So this is one of the original ones that I showed you. And then this one was one of the originals. And then these 3 are also pipped. This one, can you see that little crack on the top? This one's real obvious. And this one is like mostly pipped. It's not all the way through 100% yet. You see it though? Now the one that over here that I thought might have been pipped, I'm not sure. See, this one has the white, and now this one does too. And I don't know if that's them pecking inside, if it's just a defect on the egg, so not sure. None of these ones over here have any pipping that I've noticed yet. But that's bringing our total to 6 pipped as of this point. 6 of 18, so a third. Gently spin them back around so I can watch from the same side. If I listen very closely, I can hear little peeps sometimes. Not that was a child. Alright, we've been home for about an hour from picking up our Angoras, and we found these eggs pipped. You can see the olive one here, and that blue one in the corner, and then one of the copper ones is pipped as well. Let's turn it so we can see. Sorry guys. Let's see if I can see it. Which one? It's a little hard to see. I think it's this middle one here. You see that? It's the tiniest pip. None of the others are pipped that I've noticed. We candled all the eggs before lockdown, and all of these ones at least have progressed somewhat. There were only 3 that we had to toss, and then there was 1 egg that unfortunately died. It was dropped by me, unfortunately. But that's still 18 eggs that could hatch. There were a couple of them in here that haven't pipped yet, but that keep rocking. And this one keeps rocking. It's not at this exact moment, of course, because I'm talking about it. But it has been rocking a lot. And so have some of the ones that are in the middle there. I can't wait to show you baby eggs, baby chickens. It's morning, and look what we've got. All these chicks, there are 6 in here that have hatched so far, and more that are working on it. I cannot tell which ones are which. Looking at the eggs, it looks like we've had... Oh, one of the Americanas hatched, which might be the light-colored one in the back. The glare is pretty awful. They must have hatched pretty recently because they're all wet still. Oh my gosh. First time hatching chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And then if we turn it a little, we can look at the other ones. Try and be gentle with them. We can see that this one is close to hatching. They're all coming over. They say, we want attention. Get us out of here. We're trapped. But I know better. I'm not going to take them out till everyone's done. Oh, little baby birds. Hi, baby. Peep, peep. Yeah, there are 6 in here. That's crazy. Alright, it is about 5 p.m. and we are at 13 or 14 hatched at this point. I think all but 1 have pips on them, which is pretty awesome. This little guy just is breaking out here. This one came out a few minutes ago. Very excited. We've had an awesome hatch rate for our first time incubating, and I can't wait to add these guys to our flock or send them off to their new homes, whatever ends up being the case. They're all over in here. And hopefully everyone will finish hatching. Oh, the indignity. And then we can get them into the brooder. Well, our chicks got an upgrade. We put the two different older bird sets together. They just went in here, so there's still a little bit of pecking order stuff going on. Also, they haven't seemed to realize that there's actually two waterers. So there are in here 8 Brahmas, 2 Milan, one is blue, one is black copper, 4 buff Orpingtons, 4 white Bantam Silkies, and 7 Wyandottes. Some are lace, some are gold. They have the 2 waters, they have grit in the blue one, more food over in the silver one, food in the red. Couple things for them to roost on if they want to do that. Like I said, they just went in here. Oh, I don't like it, I don't like it. Birds make me nervous, I need to get used to them. We have mesh to put over the top if they start escaping. So we'll see how that goes. If they don't settle down also, we'll just divide it and put the smaller ones on one side. All of our chicks downstairs started hatching today, so we needed to make some room in the brooder. We also have some Celadon quail that are going to be coming home tomorrow. So basically, we really needed to clean out the brooders and get these guys into a bigger area.